Welcome to Iman Blessy channel. Today let's see an interesting topic which the whole world is looking for. Yes, vaccines for coronavirus. What is coronavirus? SARS coronavirus 2 COVID-19 is a highly pathogenic virus made up of single-stranded RNA genome uses ACE2 receptor to enter cells. Uncontrolled pulmonary inflammation is likely a leading cause of fatality in SARS coronavirus 2 infection. Therapy mostly focuses on harnessing T cells and B cells, antibody producing cells. The cautions are it can spread through contact, lives from few hours to several days in many surfaces. What are the screenings available? Real-time PCR test for RNA. Direct viral antigen detection. Serology test for antibodies. Many rapid and nanoparticle based tests are under development. What are the precautions? Wearing face mask, hand sanitization, social distancing, contact tracing done by government. Therapy medicine available currently are remdesivir for early stage, dexamethasone for a later moderate to severe cases. COVID-19 vaccine. Traditional vaccines are either live or inactivated. Live vaccines contain virus particles whose virulence has been reduced in laboratory conditions. Inactivated vaccines contain only that part of the virus required for replication. Over the years, scientists have endeavored to produce various next-generation vaccines using advances in biotechnology. Next-generation vaccines are highly adaptable and allow us to accelerate vaccine development. Current vaccines approved and in emergency use are Sputnik V from Russia, Covishield developed by AstraZeneca, Oxford vaccine. It was approved in UK and few countries in Europe. It is also approved by DGCI from India. Comirnaty, developed by Pfizer United States and Germany's BioNTech, approved for emergency use in United States. Covaxin, developed by India under phase 3 trials, cleared by DGCI India. mRNA 1273, developed by Moderna, approved in United States and restricted authorization in Europe. India has approved two vaccines, Covishield and Covaxin, for emergency use to fight COVID-19 pandemic in the country. The mass vaccination drive has just begun. Covishield is the same vaccine that is being used in the UK. India's approval for Covaxin is conditional as it is still in the clinical trial mode. We see is comparison between the two COVID-19 vaccines approved in India. When we analyze the nature of vaccine and preparation, Covishield has been developed by the Oxford University scientists in collaboration with the pharmaceutical company AstraZeneca. In India, its trial was undertaken by the Serum Institute of India. Covaxin has been developed by the indigenous vaccine developer Bharat Biotech in collaboration with the Indian Council for Medical Research ICMR. Its trial is in the final stage. It's been cleared for restricted use in emergency situations in clinical trial mode. Bharat Biotech enrolls over 26,000 volunteers for Covaxin phase 3 trial. Covishield vaccine has been developed by using the virus adenovirus that causes common cold infections among chimpanzees. Its genetic material is same as that of the spike protein of SARS-CoV-2 coronavirus. Spike protein is the part of SARS coronavirus 2 using which the virus enters a human body cell. Covishield vaccine has been developed by using a weakened version of the adenovirus. Covaxin vaccine has been developed using dead coronavirus called inactivated vaccine in medical language. Under inactivated state, the virus is not capable of infecting people or replicating on its own inside the body of a person after being injected, but a shot of a vaccine prepares the immune system to recognize the actual virus and fight it if and when infection happens. Covishield vaccine makes use of ChAd-OX1, also called AZD1222. A spike protein of SARS coronavirus 2 is inserted into ChAd-OX virus. When the vaccine is injected into the human body cell recognizes spike protein, which then triggers an immunological reaction against the virus. All vaccines were made with a common goal to induce immunity in humans to prevent COVID-19 coronavirus infection and complications. Dosage: 2 doses of both vaccines need to be administered. The interval between 2 Covaxin doses is prescribed to be of 14 days by DCGI and Bharat Biotech. The 2 shots of the Covishield vaccine need to be administered with a gap of 2.5 to 3 months for best results, according to SIICO Aadhar Poonawalla. Storage: Covishield and Covaxin vaccines have been found to be most suited for India as they require to be kept at 2 to 8 degrees Celsius. This makes transport and local storage of both COVID-19 vaccines safe and easy for all parts of the country. Drugs Controller General of India pegs the overall efficacy of Covishield at 70.4%, which is above the qualifying benchmark of 50% set by various nations. Totally 2 dosages should be given. The second dosage is very important to procure complete immunity. Johnson & Johnson coronavirus vaccine has begun human trials offering protection from infectious virus in one single dose. In Pfizer and Moderna vaccines, the active ingredient is a messenger RNA that carries instructions for making the virus spike protein, which it uses to gain entry to cells. The mRNA is synthetic, not extracted from actual viruses. Typical side effects may include swelling or pain at the point of injection, tiredness, fever or headache, as well as muscular or joint pain. Currently, the COVID vaccination rollout is in progress. CoWIN app is currently in usage for COVID-19 vaccine registration. So far, the COVID-19 vaccination is progressing successfully with negligible adverse side effects. Let's hope and pray that the humanity shall come back to normalcy with the help of successful ongoing vaccination. Kindly like and share this video and register your valuable comments. Thank you.